and welcome to Genesis 2017. It's a real pleasure to be welcoming you here, having been with Genesis since its start for me.
So Genesis is the culmination of what One Nucleus is about. It's about putting people together with people. One Nucleus is there as a learning place. It's about accelerating deals and connections globally. And Genesis as a conference really brings that into a physical presence. So having the international community join us means it's good for UK companies because they've got new connections, they understand what's going on around the world from a direct interface, and it opens up effectively our little black book to a number of our membership organisations. Genesis is very much a forum to come to see what's going on, not just in your core path and your core focus, but what's going on either side of you. So we've heard from digital health and semiconductor companies like ARM, MSD is a hardcore pharma company, and we hope to create reflect what's happening in the real world. So we could do just a focus on biotech and pharma, we could do just a focus on digital, but in the real world you have to deal with these things in parallel. They don't come one after the other. So I hope they go back saying, you know, if we take this solution from that field and this solution from our field, we could do something really special here. So that's what I hope is the message they take back, is they've learned how to do things really special. In one sentence, Genesis is the forum to go to learn, to connect, to develop, as a person, as a company, as a sector.